It's Miracle here. Welcome to this channel where you get to learn how to make money on the internet for free. In today's video, we're going to be taking how in today's video we're going to be creating a video on how to make money creating book covers for people. So today, now before you continue with this video, make sure to like the video, do a big favor by liking this video and subscribing to this channel over here. So now I'm going to go to my computer to continue the next thing. So we're going to go to canva.com. and we'll wait for that to load. Okay, it's loading already. So I'm going to come over here and type ebook cover. As you can see, while waiting for that to load, so you can see here ebook cover. So you can see now it's searching for ebook cover. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you can see now, it's loading. So forget about the pro for now. So you can see so yeah, we're going to look for something that fits into what we are looking for, right? So let's wait for this thing to load. I think my internet is a little slow. So yeah, you can see still taking out some things. So let's look for something. Okay, it's loading a little. They talk a little bad too. I think we should just go with something up here. Let's try this. Let's try this out. Let's try this one out. Okay, minimalist, simple, brown. So you can see it's loading now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So you can see, so over here now, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna come here and click a new tab. I'll go to my Google Docs, and I'll click on that. So you can see here, I've already written the title of what I'm going to use, making money online in 2022, as the title. So I'm going to come over here. So I'll type making money online in 2022. So you can see just delete that. So you can see I'm putting it down here. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this just this. We're gonna copy this out, how to promote your business and make money with it. Or just copy, you can see. So I'll come over to text over here and say add a little bit of text, or let me just say add the subheading. Okay, that's better now. So I'll just come over here and boom, pasted. So you can see here, you get to see. So all I have to do is just to text color, make it black to fit into what we want, make it black. You can see now. So yeah, we can just say let's take out these elements. Should we come to should we let's see if the background can fit what we want. Okay, let's come over to more. Let me see if we can get. Okay, I'll have said we should look for something else here. Let's see if there's another background we can use somewhere around here. Let's see if there's any business ebook cover. Okay, you can see this type of business ebook cover. Let's try to look for something of that nature as our background. So let's come over to background. Let's wait for it to finish. Let's search for, what can we search for here? Let's search for a computer. Okay, computer in an office. Let's search for, okay, you cannot search for that. Let's just search for computer. Okay, wait, don't tell me. Okay, sorry, let's come over to elements. I'm very sorry. So let's come over to computer in an office, since it's an element. So let's search for that. Okay, here we'll be able to find free images for us to use. So let's just go down. We'll soon get images for us to use. You just have to calm down and go scroll down to a low. Let's filter it out. So let's see if we can make a filter here. Okay, we can't. So let's just keep going down. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, I found what you need. So I can also integrate it into this background. So yeah, all I have to do this, reposition it backwards. You can see. So all I have to do is just delete that. Sorry, okay. So from there, increase the size. Good. You can see now. So I'm gonna put the name that I use for most of my books is mostly this, Josephine Ross. You can actually, you can also use your real name, but because this is just a practice, so all I have to do is just come over here, change the text to white because of this. So you can see this. Come over here a little. Yeah, change it to white. Okay, let's see if we can look for a font that will fit it out. Then once you do that, let's wait for a font that will fit it. My network is a little slow today, so sorry. Gonna have to bear with this. Okay, it's loading already, so I'll just go down. Let's try this. You can see. Let's see this one. Okay, so let's go over here to read back. So choosing white block. Let's wait for it to load. So you can see. So from here, all you have to do is come over to share, and I'll click on the download button. So PNG, right? I'll come over to download. It's loading. So at this downside over here, you will see it's loading now. Well, so while we wait for it, download has not started. Let's just wait. So you can see. So you can see from here. Okay, it has not started, so I'll just click over here. Okay, it has downloaded now. So I'll come over to share again, then I'll come over to download button, then I'll come over to PDF print. Okay, so I'll download it. So you can see it's prompting me to download it, so I just click start download, close. So you can see now. So let's go over to my system to see it. So I'll come over to download. So I named it as minimally simple brown. So you can see, yeah, is what we've designed. So you can see now, you can see how it looks like. So I can say this is perfect for what we want. So now we'll come over back to come back here to our system. Then I'll come over here and type DIYBookcovers.com. Come over to book designs, 3D mockup. So you can see now. So this is what we want. Great, click on that. We'll click next. You can do that on your phone over there too. So don't bother to think that it won't work. So just come over to our downloads. So come down here. So that name, click open. So you can see now I've uploaded it. So you can see now it's almost ready. So click next. So We'll download it in PNG format. We'll wait for it to load. Now PNG format, so you can see downloaded. So all I'll just do is come over here and click open for you to see how it looks like. You can see your book is ready absolutely well. Now you can start using it to make money as you sell for people. Like our video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.